Whoa. Whoa, what the?
Tonight, at 8:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 13.2 feet. Flood stage is 13.0 feet. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast.
What?
Recent activity, the maximum river stage in the 24 hours Wednesday was 13.2
What the heck?
feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise to a crest of 13.3 feet late this evening.
And potentially any roadways where there could be water or even some
Impact at 11.0 feet. Flooding begins into adjacent open fields. Impact at 13.3 feet. Delaware Route 7, Stanton Christiana Road, begins to flood. Impact at 13.5 feet. Businesses on Delaware Route 7 begin to flood. Flood history. This crest compares
Oh, wait,
to
is this the
previous
flood
crest of
warning?
13.3 feet on October 28, 2003.
Okay.
At 8 p.m. at Philadelphia International Airport, light rain was falling. The temperature was
okay.
57 degrees.